girl J Styles, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm looking a little bit crazy, looking a little bit. Today, we will be putting on this frontal. Honestly, I had to film some looks. So, like, I had to put on some hair because what was going on with my hair was not it. So, as you guys can see, this is not it right now, but it's because it's not on my head. I don't have braids or anything. I literally have, like, a bun back here. So, it's, like, it's not, like, lay. But, like, we're going to do the front. So, it's going to be, like, lay. You know what I'm saying? So, honestly and truly, this is my first time putting on a rental on the camera. So, I've been doing stuff off camera, and then I've been like, you know, finessing and finagling sometimes. So, yeah, we're going to go to the bathroom and try to see what this is about. Because, while everything is tying down, like, I'm just going to try to, like, flatten it. So, I think I'm going to, like, have my hair done for my other video, like, my makeup video. So, yeah, like, I really want to film today. It's been so long. I love those transition videos. Like, I be around thinking about, and then I just never record it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, girl, today's the day. We gonna record it, and that's on period. Corvette, hop in the bubble, just like it. They be up, baby, you want like that, way you talk like that, way you want like that. I'm for Indian, no. Alright, y'all. We gotta be in the bathroom. Bye. Alright, y'all. So the first step, they say, is to take your foundation and your foundation brush, and y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see. Okay. Ooh. We stuck. All right, like I said, ponytail back there. So, I don't know the best way to apply this. So, it's just like I don't want to put too much on my brush nor on my frontal. Didn't really want to put it on my hand. I'm going to stir it. We're going to make it do what we do. So, on my hand. Oh, this is cold. Everything is cold. And then I'm gonna, put some on my brush so that we can coat. Yeah, you see that? Your girl was not the color of this frontal. All right, I think I colored it enough. So supposedly this foundation oxidizes. I mean, I've seen it do it on my face. Maybe it might oxidize on the hair too, and yeah, make it do what it do. So after making it do what it do, what we just did, right? All right. Even before, we already looking like somebody's scalp. Whose scalp they there? My scalp they there. Okay. So, after foundation, they say you cut your ear tabs off. Ooh, I'm a little bit scared. I'm a little bit scared. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared. tight. There we go. And there we go. We secure this to the box. All that I know. Hit different. Alright, I'm talking shit. I ain't even do nothing yet. So I don't even know if I can do something yet. See how glossy my gloss is? See how glossy my gloss is? They got me sticking. Okay, so honestly, and truly, I'm using freeze spray. So you know how freeze spray be easier than glue. Alright, so let's try it again. We're gonna cut. Yeah, we gotta hit the right places, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna spray it. Maybe that's for the bow hold. Maybe I'm confusing the method. Now. I'm gonna use this thingy. It ain't the thingy, but I'm gonna use this. This is one of two crucial tie downs. Okay. So now we's tied down, okay? We is tied down. I guess you could bring it to the front. I usually don't, but we have a lot extra. So, yeah. I guess this is where we use the blow dryer some more. So I'm gonna use the blow dryer some more here so that we can get this joint sticking. Got some what? Alright, y'all. Gotta take off the scarf. That's what we got. Alright, so I'm not trying to peel so much back, but I'm gonna try to peel some off my skin. And of course, when you need something wet, you can't find it. We're just gonna use these put my attempt at a jagged line for you.
Ace Banks, turn up.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this alcohol wipe and we're gonna wipe off the excess because that white part is not cute. Okay. So, oh, 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 oh. All right, so we wiped off the white stuff. Right. All right. Oh, child, I do not know how to do my edges. This is the one thing that gave me the hardest time of, like, I don't know what. Like, this is going to take a whole lot of practice because I thought I could do my edges, but, like, I really do not know how to do them edges. Oh, no.
Ace Banks, turn up.
told you the back is not gonna be. So this would be really cute if like it's cut and all that. But I don't know how to do all these. Set. I'm just going to do. I'm just gonna do what I know how to do. Okay. Not too bad at all. I keep saying final step, but I keep saying that I'm not done yet. I love it, y'all. What y'all think? Your girl did something. Your girl did something. Your girl did something. Something. Okay, do it yourself. Just watch hella videos. That's right, watch hella videos. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos because we're going to keep this going. We have more videos to come. I wanted to do my face and all that so you guys can see the beads. But this video got to get up. So, you know what? It's going to go up. And that's what period. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!